What's up guys, Darren Fry here coming at you from Maui, Hawaii, and in today's video I'm going to share with you Tradera in less than 10 minutes. So we're founded in 2019, based out of the United States, and we're open globally. We're a financial services platform providing education on how to trade in the foreign exchange and cryptocurrency markets, and our company is 100% debt-free. This platform is extremely powerful, especially at a time like now where people are stuck at home during this quarantine, because you're able to tap into two of the largest industries on the planet Earth from the comfort of your home, from the comfort of the internet access you have from your phone and laptop or tablet. Network marketing, the word of mouth advertising industry, which I've been a part of for like 8 years, is $180 billion a year annually. And foreign exchange is $6 trillion a day, is the largest industry. And I've been in and out of Forex for since probably 2015. So it's been about a solid 5 years I've been doing Forex trading. If you're not sure what Forex is, it's short for foreign exchange. It's the currency exchange market. $6.8 trillion a day in daily volume. It's the largest financial market in the world. Banks, institutions, I mean, this is where your bank makes money off of your savings account. It runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, wherever you have internet access. You could use MetaTrader 4 on your phone, TradingView on your laptop, and you have access to trading anytime, anywhere. So the basic goals of Forex is to learn when to buy, when to sell, and when to not. It's very simple if you learn the right strategies from the right people and you learn how to leverage the right tools. The cool thing about Forex is you can make money off of a market rising, and you can make the same amount of money, if not more, off of the market crashing, which in our cases they are. In Forex, we could profit off of every stock, every commodity, everything coming down in price. That's movement in the market that you put a sell order on, you're gonna catch pips, you're gonna make profits off of it going up or down based on what trade you enter. So Tradera offers 5 main services, as well as a lot of add-ons that we've been adding in and more to come. Trading education, trade alerts, live sessions constantly throughout the week, market forecasts that are updated weekly, and our trading community. So first is the trading education. We're at 100% online. You can do it all from home, from your phone. Our PDFs, our videos will teach you literally all the basics about Forex, crypto, technical analysis, A to Z for beginners, intermediate, and even advanced traders. Our trade alerts are awesome signals. I think we're up like 7,000 or 8,000 pips for 2020 so far since January of this year. Right now it's like the beginning of April. So the trade alerts are very profitable. It's basically copy pasting a professional trader's signal of the trade they've entered. So you can just open your MetaTrader 4 and follow it and follow their profits. The live sessions are constantly throughout the you jump on, find trades with these traders and learn from them live and get a lot of interaction and stuff. There's like 2,000 people jumped on one of the last live sessions I was on. Market forecasts, which these services are provided by the master traders in the company. They update our back office every Sunday, so that way we can go out there and look at their analysis for the week and use that for our own trading and our own advantages. In our trading community, we have a really amazing community on Facebook, on Zoom, on these calls, on these webinars. You guys will see once you join, we'll plug you guys into everything right away. Last but not least, we have our business opportunity. With this, for an extra $15 a month, you can network, build a business within Tradera, helping people get involved as students as well, so they could trade. You can get a free membership and you can earn weekly residual reoccurring income. So before I go into the ranks, let me explain active and passive income. Active is like trading time for money. If you stop showing up at your job or if your job disappears, you stop making money. Whereas passive income, it comes in monthly or weekly. It's like owning a house and having renters and making profits every month. Passive. That's essentially what we make in Tradera, is weekly passive residual income. You get customers involved, you're gonna get paid every week based on what rank you are. So the first rank is founder, which is 3 personal signups through your link that you get once you join. Once you get those 3, your membership is now waived. You could upgrade to being an IBO and build the business by helping duplicate that process, helping your 3 people become founder. Once you have 10 people, you're making $125 a week at night, 25 people, you're making $250 a week at Noble. 75 people, you're making $500 a week at Bishop. I'm basically at Bishop within my first like 2 or 3 weeks in this company. Just a lot of people jumping in. It's an amazing time to commit yourself to learning these skills in the markets. Duke Duchess is $250. You're making $1,250 a week. My friend David just hit legend in the company. Congrats again, he just hit that today. That's 5,000 active members that are collectively grown in your team. Only 3 of them need to be your personal signups at any moment. And he's making $25,000 a week. So results aren't typical, so don't be typical. We'll help you guys with that. But the comp plan is incredibly powerful on top of all the value with the services. So the basic is just getting started, getting your 3 customers, getting the founder as soon as possible. The cool thing is, since you only need 3 personals, you know, me and a lot of the other top leaders, we're giving away our personals to new teammates, new customers. If you could prove to us that you're consistent in studying and going through the courses and learning, you know, we'll help you guys get your free memberships, even with our signups and our leads. So, you know, we can get a lot of people to founder very quickly. Some other resources we provide as a company is the website, the community on Facebook, which is super valuable. You guys will see there's a lot of training in the group pages, the events we're gonna have once the quarantine's over, the presentations, and the marketing tools. You know, we're gonna give you guys some amazing marketing knowledge and marketing resources to help you guys, you know, brand online and get your business growing. The subscription options. Our client membership, just being a customer, is $99 a month. Okay, so for only 99 bucks, you get everything that I showed you on this slideshow besides the business. You know, you're getting all the services to help you learn how to trade in the markets. They're actually even adding in a 20 pip and dip indicator, which is valued at over $1,000. It's included into that 99 a month. So now you have an indicator that can help you guys catch 20 pips in the market, catch in and out short-term trades, so you can learn how to compound your accounts. The IBO membership, once you get 3 customers and you secure a free client membership, you pay $15 a month, you become an IBO, and then we're gonna help you start to spread these services, spread this business, so you can start to earn weekly residual income to pay for your residual bills and help you fund your trading accounts. So in summary, learn how to trade, earn money while you learn, and market it and share it, and be a part of the business opportunity that can literally change your life if you help enough people change theirs. It's a movement, guys. I mean, with all this stuff going on, we want to stay productive. We want to stay positive. So get back to whoever invited you to watch this video, get signed up. If you just stumbled across this, hit me up and I'll help you get signed up through someone on our team. And thank you again for your time, and I look forward to helping you guys change your life for the better.